Are you looking for easy-to-use, delicious solutions for making food and beverages? Fantastic Texture is your trusted partner for high-quality powder ingredients, made in Taiwan and trusted worldwide. With decades of experience, we specialize in developing and producing premium pancake mix, donut mix, and donut powder, offering consistent quality, fluffy texture, and easy preparation. Whether you run a cafe, bakery, or food brand, our formulas make production smoother and faster. Our Mochi donut mix and cake mix can help you create baked staples with a distinctive taste, perfect for donuts, chiffon cakes, and trendy dessert innovations. Need something to go with all those sweet treats? Our milk tea powder are smooth and aromatic, created for modern tea houses and beverage chains, with rich flavor and easy brewing for every milk tea. At Fantastic Texture, we don't just provide ingredients, we support your entire product journey. From R&D consulting to OEM and ODM services, we work with businesses of all sizes to turn ideas into reality, from concept to finished product. We are ISO certified, delivering safe solutions with full technical and after-sales support. From Taiwan to the world, we are proud to be part of your success. Visit us online and let's create something amazing together.